In the last video, our agent had exactly one tool. That's a demo. Real agents have a toolbox, and they decide on their own which tool to reach for. Today, we give one agent 3 tools. Watch it pick the right one for each request, and even chain 2 together, without writing a single if statement. Here's the idea. You register a set of tools, each with a plain English description of what it does. When a request comes in, mAIvn reads those descriptions and matches them against what the user actually asked for. The description is the routing logic. You're not writing if the user says X, call Y. You're writing good descriptions, and the agent does the matching. Add a tool, and it's instantly available to be chosen. Remove one, and it's gone. There's no router to maintain. Let's build it. Same agent shape as before, but now the system prompt is doing real work. We tell it, use the available tools to look up real data before answering, and never invent order details. That one instruction keeps the agent grounded. It reaches for a tool instead of guessing. When you give an agent tools, spell out that you want it to use them. Now the tools, 3 of them. Get order status looks up an order. Notice how we describe it. We pass a description argument right in the @agent.toolify decorator. The second tool, estimate delivery, has no description argument at all. Instead, mAIvn reads its doc string. 2 styles exactly equal. Pick whichever keeps your code clean. And the third, open return, starts a return and hands back an RMA number. 3 functions, 3 descriptions. That's the whole toolbox. Let's run it. And just like before, we invoke the agent with verbose set to true so we can watch it think. Our prompt asks 2 things at once: where order ORD 7781 is and when it'll arrive. Watch the trace. First, the agent calls getOrderStatus. It pulled the order ID straight from the question. The result comes back: shipped, carrier, UPS. Now the good part. To answer when will it arrive, the agent needs the carrier, which it just learned. So it calls estimate delivery, passing UPS, and gets back 2 business days. 2 tools in order, and you never told it to chain them. It inferred that the second step depended on the first, purely from the question and the descriptions. Then it folds both results into one natural answer. Same agent, different question. Let's open it in mAIvn Studio and switch to the second prompt. I want to return order ORD 7781 because it arrived damaged. Send it and watch the run stream in the center. First, it grounds itself. It verifies the order with getOrderStatus. And then it reaches for the right tool for the job. Open return, passing the reasons straight through. Arrived damaged, and handing back an RMA number. Notice what it does not call: estimate delivery. That tool was for when will it arrive. It has nothing to do with a return, so the agent leaves it alone. Same agent, same 3 tools, 0 routing code. The request changed, so the tools it chose changed. One thing that trips everyone up. If a tool isn't getting called when you expect it to, 90% of the time it's not the model. It's the description. Handles orders tells the agent nothing. Look up the status of a customer order by its ID, tells it exactly when to reach for that tool. Write your descriptions the way you'd explain the function to a new teammate, what it does, and what it gives back. Specific descriptions are specific routing. So, one agent, multiple tools, automatic selection, all driven by descriptions, not glue code. But did you catch what happened in that first run? The agent figured out the order then delivery chain on its own, implicitly. In the next video, we make that dependency explicit and let mAIvn run independent tools in parallel for speed. See you there.